Hi everybody, this is Sept back another day with another video. Today I'm going to show you FOBO TPMS, FOBO tire, a product that I've been using for over 10 years that I get a bunch of questions about, but I don't think I've ever done a video about it. So I have FOBO tire on all of my cars and I've used it. I started using it 10 plus years ago on my racing car with racing tires, and it teach me a lot because I could see right away the tire temperature and the tire pressure and how the temperature relates to the pressure. So that really teach me a lot with racing tires. And then after that, when I was super happy with it, I've used it on all of my cars. And it helped me a lot there as well, because when temperature changes, you don't think about it, but it really does it gives different pressure in the tires. And one time I had a leaking vent and I didn't notice at all. I just assumed it was fine, and the phone alarmed me. So I really recommend FOBO tire. And after an accident I was in, I gave away 100 of the FOBO tire for bike, for FOBO tire MC or bike or whatever it's called. So a product that I really recommend. I wanted to show you. So I'm going to do change on this one, and if my photographer can get some B-roll here on the silver arrow, I have silver ones. On Rocket Bunny 86 I have black ones, and on my SLK I have FOBO 1, so the bigger one. They are only called FOBO, but I now call them FOBO 1. So FOBO 1, FOBO 2 black, FOBO 2 silver, and here we have FOBO tire LITE. So FOBO tire LITE means that we have a smaller package, environment friendly package, and we don't need this Bluetooth reinforcer anymore. And I have already several times, because I have small cars, I've noticed that I don't need a Bluetooth reinforcer. So yeah, it was a natural step to have them without the Bluetooth. It's probably called something else except from reinforcer, but that is what I call it. So let's unbox and show you how easy it is to install. So just to show you how easy it is, what I should have done on the older ones is to write which car it is for, because you have different serial numbers, etc. But easy like this. You have a QR code for user guide, and on the TPMS it says right, left, front, right, etc. And here we have, if you want to lock them in place, and a key ring. I never use this, but it's good to know that you have it. So let me show you how easy it is to install. Add new, car, FOBO tire LITE, scan QR code, the name of the car, and I want to have 2.4 here, and I wanted to warn as low as 2.1 and as high as 2.9. But as you can see, you put yourself what's recommended for the car, and after that it puts a maximum and a minimum. So let's just keep it at their own settings. And here it says we start with front left. So I just unscrew the cap to remove the battery safety thing. And I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I saw on the website after I ordered this that they have a 2-valve thing, which I really like, because When installing them, you might release a little bit of air, and with the 2-valve thing you have the FOBO tire always on, and then you have an extra valve where you can release air or put in air in. And now they are installed, and this small thing gives you tire pressure all the time on your phone and tire temperature. So as you can see now, I did not deactivate the old one. So it keeps giving me warnings on the Apple Watch and notification. And I'm happy to say that for once I have a discount code for you at FOBO Tire. So the discount code is only working for 7 days. So after this video is published, it will only work for 7 days after that. And the discount code is Pierre15. So my name and 15, I will enter it in the description. And it will give you 15% off of one set of FOBO Tire LITE, or one set of FOBO Tire LITE with the 4 T valves and one spare tire sensor, or one set FOBO Tire LITE with the 4 T valves. The T valves is the dual valves that I talked about earlier. Voucher code will be valid 7 days from after I publish this post. And I highly recommend it. It's not expensive at all, and it can save lives, and it will help you a lot. In general, people are way too lazy to check their tire pressure. They do it like once a year, or they just kind of the workshop doing it. So have control over your tires and car and check your tire pressure. And with the FOBO tire, it's good looking and very easy to use, very easy. So if you have any questions, ask me. I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.